You can call it Tik Tok Tea or whatever you want. You could call it disgusting. But let's find out the recipe first, and then you can make your judgment. We would appreciate it if you'd smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. So Tik Tok Tea. Yeah, what's your gut instinct on this? Good or bad? A new recipe on TikTok is to add tea bags to bottles of Sprite or 7-Up or any lemon lime soda. Basically, you just are making caffeinated iced tea with a citrusy twist built into it. So here's how it goes. You can use any tea, but the TikTok folks specifically suggest using 2 bags of Lipton Black Tea. You open a 20-ounce bottle of Sprite or whatever lemon lime soda you prefer, drink a little bit to make room, then add 2 tea bags, turn the bottle over, and let them steep in the fridge for 20 minutes. Now, after that, you can squeeze some juice, lemon juice in it, and pour it over ice. But I don't know, do you need to add more lemon juice, lemony flavor to a lemon lime soda? I guess it's a preference thing. So a restaurant in Malaysia posted a video recipe of this in July of 2023. Then it took a little time to build up steam and become more popular and heard of or trending on TikTok. So what do you think? Would you try it? Are you going to try it? Leave a comment below and let me know.